Stake out your own little piece of tranquility in the rolling hills of Manchester with no hoa. Located on a quiet street, situated on 3 acres, this home has all the peace of country living, yet just a short drive to the conveniences of Westminster and PA. Some major updates have already been taken care of. New roof 2020, new well 2020. This 3-bedroom, 2 full bath split foyer boasts a lower level sunroom, attached 2-car garage, Anderson windows throughout, and a freshly painted deck. The master bedroom offers 2 large closets, no more sharing closet space. The second bedroom, equipped with another large closet, adjoins the main level bath, which offers plenty of room still. The long vanity means no more cluttered sink space. The lower level greets you with an open family room, wood burning